Okay, we're doing some 6.0 with a different skill. This time, rocket jump. Like an actual rocket jump. Also, a Grim spawned in like the first 2 seconds, so I think we lose. Ooh, gem. I swear this feels like a lot more red than usual. How did I get hit, bro? Uh-oh. I'm scared. Please, let me go, let me go, let me go, let me go. Just touch that. That's another nuke. How did I not get hit? No, 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 no. Did I get hit? Did my rocket get lightning on it? What the hell was that? Uh-oh. I'm scared. I got greedy for the gem. Is that a double gem? Give me that. Uh-oh, I failed. Oh, it gave me a platform? It did not give me a platform? It did not give me a platform? I thought that was a... I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm dead. Where did that bomb come from? Okay. Okay, sorry. What map? I think the best map for this is like Valley. Ridge. I'll do Ridge since I haven't done that yet for some reason. It's only 6, okay. I have lots of time to record. Hopefully we'll do something. If not, I'll probably upload like failed attempts or something. Because I think this is a lot harder than a duck. Also, last time I did 10-minute 6.0, we had the lucky snowstorm plus low grav, so it made it so easy. So I'm not sure I'll be able to do this or not. I have to stop getting greedy for coins though. But like, I still need the coins. Okay, just destroy all of my platforms. What is that camera? I swear there's a vent thing over here. I guess not. I should not be doing this. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Help, 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 help. At least for this, we can actually pick up super smoothies. I mean super sodas, because they don't actually change much. But I have to get better at actually like landing the rocket jumps. I'm dying, I'm dying, I'm dying, I'm dying. I'm dying, I'm dying. It's not fair, it's not fair. This is scary. I know exactly what's going on right now. Uh-oh. Oh, it's pizza. No! There's no way that just happened, bro. Mid-air snipe, bro. The bubbles are actually OP in this game. Okay, Ridge. Hey, if I picked Ridge, I better survive for at least 3 minutes. This is very hard without wings. I think, even with the wings, it's still a little bit hard, but like I think it's a lot easier. So what's the cooldown for this stupid banana? If there a cooldown, like does it like spawn only every once in a, like 1 minute? It's not up there, there. Probably like once every round. Let's stand over here at the start, so in case any nukes drop on us immediately. What? Oh, 3 of them already? Just to blow up mid? Alright, well, that's fine. Alright, let's not get greedy for the coins. Oh, there's a heart down there. I want to get that. Let's jump over these idiots. I'm scared. Okay, I quit. I'm running. What hit me? Oh, the distance? That's pretty fun. Hopefully the heart's still down here. Okay. Hopefully the heart's still down here. Okay, it is. Is that faster? I might have to adjust my... timing. So far, rockets over there. I might want to just tank the rockets, although I'll probably just jump around a little bit. Uh-oh. The lag? Oh, the rocket destroys my platforms. That's not very good. Alright, hi Graham. Shouldn't have stood here. Alright, yo, kill. Rocket jump? I mean rocket launch? What's going on? Oh. How did that hit me? Okay. I'm so triggered right now. It's over for me. And I went under the map. Okay, well I survived for 2 minutes, that's nice. I don't know how people do this. I bet there's already that one guy had that grinded like 20 hours a day to do like hardcore 10 minutes 6.0. No skill. There's probably that guy out there. I promise I won't be that guy. I have better things to do than waste 20 hours a day do that. Okay, I need to learn how to... Maybe it could be like a thing where like I go this way and then like I turn backwards. So just so I don't blow up a freaking thing. Alright, that was a good start to our run. Touch the warp mine because I'm a genius. These things are so far apart. They're gonna blow up the entire map. How did I miss that, bro? I need to use shift lock. Where are the events, by the way? Let's run this way and not get hit by the big boy nuke. Glitchy nuke. Can I please get out of the way? What is going on? Alright. I got lucky. It's getting foggy. Alright, perfect. Now I can't see anything. This is great. Uh-oh. I'm alive. I did not use shift lock. I got launched. I got to do 50 damage somehow. Help, help, help. I didn't even die to the firebomb, bro. It was just some other random bomb in the lava. This is so hard. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. The rockets just like make you so you constantly move. The Grimbles make shit so you can't go back to where you were. And whenever you move, like some random bomb just comes out of the sky and snipes you. People do this. And then like the nukes and the twin bombs blow up everything. You just like walk down parts of the map so you can't ever go there for like 10 seconds. And then there's like some random bomb that just chip you down. I wonder if lava frozen is a good idea, because if the lava's frozen then like can I farm jumps under here? Farming jumps? No, not really. So do something like this. Then we go backwards. And then get hit. And he'll take 10 damage. And now I just get stuck down here forever. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Are you... I saw the heart. I got greedy. Well, I lasted for 20 seconds. No, 25, 26. You know, if we do like a little... We do a little trolling, you know what I mean? Nah. Let's try basic value even though we've already done it. Okay, I swear I mentioned this before. That is the worst piano in the history of like the world. Just letting you know that. Like no piano could be worse than that. Can I like do like a off the wall thing? Okay. I swear we had this round last time. Alright, there goes like just that entire part of the map. Like we can just like say goodbye to that. What hit me? Bad idea. I'm lagging? Did I get the pizza? There was a heart there. I want to get that somehow. Okay, the TNT blew up. Bruh. Okay, to be honest, I could have stopped that by like not going for it instantly after I saw it. But we're gonna be here for a while. Probably only like 30 minutes. I was thinking about doing like some football strategy where you do something like this, where you like ride on top of your football. Although I think that's really janky, so I don't think it's gonna work. Although it'd be a really funny strategy if it could. So hopefully everything just goes to mid and just blow up this area in the middle. Like that, and so it just blows up everything at... Oh, there's an invincibility. I might want to save it for now. Oh my god, how did I get down here? That was a grim down here. Okay, let's use this to get out. Okay, I think that one just went down there. So we're just gonna combo this. I can't tell what's going on. What's going on? Can I please get this thing over here? Uh-oh. Explode those two, please. Why am I so fast? Ranging charge Shoda, let's go. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Let's wait for this one to go off first, and then we run. Let's jump over that. Realize that it covers half the map. Alright, good thing I heard that. Uh-oh. Are you idiot? I jumped at the wrong time. This game sucks. One challenges. Win 5 rounds. I have yet to win 1. Win 12 rounds. It's crazy, bro. Also, we need like a sorter for this thing. It's way too hard to look through this. There's 61. Add a search bar. Categorized by the type. By alphabet name. Favorite something. Press F to when you hover over to favor. That'd just be like, you know, pretty helpful. It's not a good idea to stay up here, but it would be kind of funny if I did. A nuke's gonna drop up there or something, I bet. Watch. Any nukes? Oh, don't get shocked. I got shocked. Alright, I probably took more damage than if I just stood there. Where did this guy come from? Alright, let's get away from the fire somehow, perhaps? Alright, never mind. Any pizza? Anything? There is an invincibility thing down there that I might want to grab. Now that I am down here, I kind of want to grab it. Where is it? Where is it? I'm dying. Where'd it go? Oh, it's all the way over there. Okay, let's not be too feisty here. Me as I literally just jumped down. It just despawned. My life's over. Oh, it's back. Can I grab this? Okay. Now I grab the event over here. That's somewhere over here. Where'd the event go? Is it not here anymore? Oh my god, I almost got launched into that. So I don't know what happened to the event, but I saw one drop over there. I guess it just despawned. Because that's like a stupid mechanic that exists. Uh-oh. Are you kidding me? I got electrified while touching it, and so I just jumped into it. This is never gonna end. I don't get it, bro. How did I do the duck one? Oh, it's because the ice platform. But still, like, why didn't like 5 billion missiles just chase me? Why were they able to dodge them so easily? Let's probably make some speed run. Launch all, get into all 3 cannons. Okay, there's pizza there. You have a good watch of everything on this bill. Oh my, I did not see it. How did I not see that? Okay, let's not go for the coin. Let's just like get out of here. Uh-oh. I bet we can double jump off of that. Like, you could do 2 jumps if you were fast. But I'm gonna wait for this to go. Why is there a black hole bomb in 6.0? Those don't exist. I did not mean to collect the pizza. Alright, this was a good idea to collect this, by the way. Did I mention it was a good idea to collect this, by the way? I'm scared. It's gonna do like 60 damage to my face. Wait, is it falling? Why is it not falling? Hello? What happened? Oh shit. Did the nukes just glitch out? Am I just lagging really badly? I'm lagging really badly. Oh. No, 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 no. I should have waited actually so I don't get the extra, like the faster music. There was a gem. Oh, there are so many grimmies. Okay, the nukes are actually working this time. Don't blow up my... Okay. Alright, there's just a couple nukes dropping from the sky. We will get out of the way in time. Hopefully I hit this shot right here. Okay. I will go over to there next. What hit me? What hit me? That savior. Anything I can grab here? Anything? It despawned. Where'd it go? It's ready missiles now? Oh no. No, 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 no. It's so laggy. What's going on? It's so laggy. And I'm dead. Are you kidding me, bro? It despawns. I saw it down there, and then like 5 seconds later, I look down there, it's gone. Jesus Christ. Wait, what the hell? You got so high. Whoa! I'm just gonna throw out the map for this. I swear, this is not how it normally supposed to go. Can I clip the rocket through the wall? What if we go mining like this? Okay, never mind. We are not going mining anymore. Alright, there would have been a nuke dropped on us anyway. Something that Grim warned us. That coin bomb just dropped like 10 coins. That's very lame. I missed the coin. I'm cheat. Alright, I don't know how it did not hit me. There's a heart down here. Alright, that did not work. Alright, now I am stunned. I cannot outrun these stupid rockets. Please let me run, please, please, please. Let me move. Please. Oh my god. Uh-oh. I collected a pizza box to gain 10 HP. Oh. Uh-oh. I'm fine. How did it not hit me? I should look around before I go some places. What hit me? Like, what the hell? Gather this pizza. If we don't get hit by the big boy bomb. Why am I jumping on these? I can just swim in the lava. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. What's going on? Let me move. Let me move. Let me move. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, we dodged the ice in an awkward way. Don't shot me. Don't shot me. Move, 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 move. I swear this is way more intense than the other one. Uh-oh. I'm alive. Oh, I'm alive. I am not. I'm alive. Let's grab that. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Okay, make the important jump. Uh-oh. Snowstorm. Although it's not a very good time now because I'm on 40 HP and I'm about to die. That's very... Oh my god. And it destroyed the platform. Oh my gosh, this is hard. The only way I can win this if I just get really lucky. Because the problem is, I start to run out of space up on the actual map. So I have to rely on like the very few platforms that are left, and I keep getting trapped on them. And then the moment I drop down to the lava level, like just bombs galore everywhere. Just blow me up. So either I just have to get really lucky with like the arrangement of bombs that drop, where it doesn't like blow up the map in like the first 2 minutes, or I just like get lucky with like what's in the lava, or just like pay attention better, or like just get good in general. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay, rocket jumps do not work. I mean, rocket launches do not work. Alright, instant 2 Grim Bells, that's always a good start. R3, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe I should start like double jumping all the time, because they keep running into the rockets maybe. Okay, that's a big boy. Maybe I don't have to like jump every single time I want to go to the next platform. I have to learn somehow. Okay, I did not. There's no way I could have saw that coming. Can I blow up the bubbles? Okay, okay. I would have. See, past me would have ran into that bomb, but I have ascended to a better. To be okay. I don't know what to do here. Help me! Help me! Help me! Stop being electric for once in your goddamn life. Uh-oh, that's a nuke. That's a TNT. That's a bubble. Okay, now I'm dead for sure. Uh-oh. Dodged? Dodged? These rockets are chasing me? Grab the gem, because why not? Okay. There are 20 rockets after me! Okay, I'm fine with taking 5 damage. There's a little bit of room up here, but like, this is a very awkward space of room. There was an invincibility thing in there. What is going on? Why are there so many super smoothies? Any pizza, please. Any pizza. Oh, no, no, no. Let me get this. I'm not sure if being in this position is like a really good sacrifice. Why are there 20 Grimbells? Help me! Uh-oh. That TNT barrel is gonna screw me. Oh. Are you kidding me? All the following missiles just run into me. It's over. Alright, another Grimbell, because, like, why not? Just add that. How am I alive right now, by the way? Oh, that's a charge thing? What? Oh, help, help, help. I'm moving locations. I should have moved locations. There is nothing over here for me to jump on. Uh-oh. No! I actually got lucky for once in my life, and then it lasted for another 2 minutes. Oh, 3.5 actually. Should I change to like 5 minutes? But 10 minutes would be so catchy though. Change to 5 minutes. Actually, no, for the video, I think I should just keep going for 10 minutes. And maybe next video I'll change it to 5. If I can find the events, I can maybe get lucky. I bet there's a bunch of useful events. Is freezing lava a good event? I'm not sure. We'll have to find out. Maybe I'll just like spawn one for fun. Yo, can this thing ever work in my goddamn life? Please. I'll spawn that for sure. Uh-oh. What only bomb is gonna spawn now? Is it only TNT boxes now? That's kind of funny actually. If it's only TNT boxes, nukes, and the following rockets. Uh-oh. Good thing I wasn't in that corner. This is so goddamn tame. I love this game. This is so cheating though. Actually cheating. Now the only way to lose this if like the rim or rockets just like throw me into like some lava and then with a TNT barrel, it's TNT box just like there. So does it last for the entire round? There's other bombs spawning too. Oh, maybe it only lasts for like 1 minute or so. I should not be here. Uh-oh. That's just not cool, man. Wait, could I have used a rocket there to blow myself up? Maybe, so I could get out of the ice? That could have been a genius move. What other maps are there? What's a bad map to choose? Like basic field? Shout out to Super Doomspire. Is that a coin I see? Also, back to my rant about this piano. That's an E flat. It's supposed to be an F, but it's E flat. That's F. F sharp. G. G sharp. It's like very off tune too. It's not even, it's like, I don't think it's like exactly a normal G sharp or whatever. Alright, what's the chance a bomb spawns up there and just blows up everything? Alright, here comes the 4 nukes that instantly drop out of the sky. Alright. Can I jump on the balloon? You cannot, in fact, jump on the balloon. Alright, blow up the entire map, twin bombs. I don't even know what their official name is called, but I don't care. Get hit by a random 5 damage, because why not? That glitchy nuke is scary. I want to run. Did I mention I want to run? Help, 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 help. I swear I saw like the invincibility thingy. I do not want to be here. Ooh, this is a good spot. That's an event icon. I need to go for that. Like last round, like it was so tame because of the TNT. Alright, was it worth the 30 damage? It's a bit more than 30 damage. Uh-oh. Good thing. I don't know how I didn't get damage there, but... Can this electricity please go away? Oh, did I just clutch myself? There is a gem down there I kind of want. I don't know why this thing's just stiff. Oh my god! No, that's not fair, bro. Ooh, free gem. I thought I collected the gem. Hello, game. Please, please. There's so many bubbles everywhere. It's something's electric. Oh, wait, I'm alive? No, I wanted to catch a bubble ride. No, I tried to catch the bubble, bro. There was the only way out. Okay, I'm gonna do one more and I'm gonna end it here. Alright. Shout outs to Super Doomspire. Oh my gosh. I need bananas for good luck. Orange, you glad? I am glad. Well, I just send you to the roof. What the hell? What the? What was that? Eh? Eh? Watch this. Okay, I actually dodged it. I want to save this for a little bit. Okay, I want to run actually. Any hearts down there? Alright, did I, well... The mobs are doing a good job at destroying the base right now. I wonder how many bricks they have. Oh, there it goes. It just keeps getting launched everywhere. Why is this sea mine just going places? This is not a place I want to be in, by the way. Alright, just miss my rocket. And then proceed to just die. Classic. The classic strategy. Can you even jump on these? We're gonna do one more. I don't know why. That was a terrible attempt. Doomspire sucks. Maybe we can do like some fancy glitch where we just like bounce on this trampoline for free height. Can we go under the trampoline? Why is my hand sticking out like that? Wait, can we do like a perfect flat? I'm hiding. Oh, and then you can like go all over the place? This is crazy. Alright, last one. For all the marbles, watch me win. Not that I say that, I'm gonna instantly lose. We call this the running around in circle strategy. I call this one jumping into the hole strategy, then getting covered up by debris. I call this one the look around and hope for something good. I call this one just get launched around and get bullied everywhere. Alright, what's going on? Anything? Any hearts? Pizza? Okay, that's a nuke. I'm not seeing anything good so far. I can't tell if that's a coin or something, or... There is no ground here, bro. I was gonna go here because I thought it's stuff up here, but there's nothing here. I thought that was a heart! No! I got scammed. Maybe we'll just go back and forth between these two platforms, and I have this one over here too. I do not find this position very favorable. Alright, this game's out. Goodbye. Have fun.